Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate an image on Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Models, Create, My Library, and more. Tap on Create from the bottom of the screen, then a menu will appear on the screen. Select Image Generation from the menu, then type in a prompt of whatever type of picture that you want to generate. Once you do that, you can see you can adjust few of the settings there, like image guidance, standard options, fine-tune model, etc. Go ahead and tap on Generate from there. Then Leonardo AI will generate the image for you. And guys, that's it. That's how you generate an image on Leonardo AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.